Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the latest beast from Lamborghini, the all-new 2025 Revuelto. This isn't just another supercar, it's a revolution on wheels. So, what makes the Revuelto so special? Well, let's start with what's under the hood. Lamborghini has gone all in with a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. But here's the twist: they've paired it with not one, not two, but 3 electric motors. That's right, the Revuelto is Lamborghini's first ever plug-in hybrid hypercar. This combination cranks out a jaw-dropping 1,015 horsepower, launching this beast from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. But it's not just about raw power. The Revuelto's design is pure Lamborghini: sharp lines, aggressive angles, and that unmistakable low-slung silhouette. Every inch of this car screams speed, with carbon fiber elements and a new aerodynamic package that ensures it slices through the air like a hot knife through butter. And wait until you step inside. The cockpit is a high-tech dream, featuring a fully digital instrument panel, a massive central screen, and advanced driving aids that make sure you stay in control no matter how fast you're pushing this machine. Plus, with multiple driving modes, you can tailor the Revuelto's hybrid system to fit your exact mood, whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up the track. Now, if you're loving what you're seeing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What do you think of Lamborghini's move into hybrid technology? Is this the future of supercars, or are you still holding out for that classic V12 roar? As for performance, Lamborghini didn't stop with the engine. The Revuelto features a state-of-the-art chassis management system, including active suspension and rear-wheel steering, ensuring it handles as sharply as it looks. This is a car built to dominate, both on the road and the track. So, whether you're a die-hard Lamborghini fan or just a lover of high-octane performance, the 2025 Revuelto is a game-changer. It's more than just a car, it's the next chapter in Lamborghini's legacy. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep the pedal to the metal.